Hi guys, Aniq here.
Hi guys, Ellie here.
So welcome to our channel, K2M Toys Reviews and Unboxing. So all three of us here will be unboxing this Mad Machine's Power Wings car. Okay? So
Whose car is it?
Who's got mine?
it's Muaz's car.
What color it is?
Yellow.
No.
Blue.
Okay. So we can probably show you how it works. So you pull this back, it like powers it up. Then once you press this button, it starts moving. So
It goes
Okay.
very. Okay.
Show me all around.
so yeah. So this is the side of the box.
Yeah, power
This is what
wings.
it says on the
Power
back.
wings.
On the other side,
There's
and
nothing much to
on the
show
bottom,
box.
not so much.
So let's start unboxing.
So the good thing about this car is it needs no batteries.
Yeah.
So it's just hand powered. So Mom, show the car to everyone. Show it. Show it. So show how it works. Press it. Put it here. Put it here. And press the button. Mom, press the button. Whee!
Okay, let's show down
Okay, put it down. What?
on that side.
down and
On this
Moaz.
side. Moaz.
Moaz.
Hold on.
Pull it.
Hold on. Ali.
Move to the side.
put it more.
Put it here. Again.
Mom, come on.
Put it.
Put one, two,
And
three. Push it. Push. Oh no.
Look, Aniq, you try from there. On the side.
3, 2, 1. Go. I think Moaz got it. Yeah, Moaz got
Do it on the floor, not on the carpet. On the side.
it. Let's try on the
From there.
floor right over here.
Or more behind.
Okay. So put it.
let's put it.
It goes like spinning. Ah! It's very. It goes very fast.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video.
Subscribe to our channel. Please like this video.
And please watch our other video. Okay?
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.